He said that it was not being meeting your competitors but learning from each other.
Homerton's beautiful premises, Homerton's fantastic way of education. It was really a wonderful experience.
Event is very, very well organized.
It was definitely an enriching experience.
It was really nice attending with all the rest of the principals of the school.
And we are all together to make new things, learn new things from yourself also.